Hey, let's use some servos. Many different kinds of servo motors exist, like ordinary hobby servo motors, micro servos, bus servos, and many more. In this video, we will focus on hobby servo motors and micro servos that are capable of rotating 180 degrees, and we will be using Arduino board to control them. This is a circuit drawing with Arduino board and a servo motor. The system is quite simple. I am using a capacitor of 100 microfarad as Arduino documentation recommends. In this system there is a servo motor, which is a micro servo, and it's capable of rotating 180 degrees. Its signal pin is connected to pin 3 of Arduino board. It is a PWM pin to send signals. These pins are typically marked with tilde. Let's look at the code. This code uses Servo library. Your development environment might need to install it. I create a servo instance and initialize it in setup function. In the main loop, I command the servo to go to certain angles. The angles are listed in the array of angles. Servo goes from 0 to 90, then to 180, then back to 90, and then again to 0. Serial monitor prints the last angle input, and there is a 3-second delay to allow the motor to perform its rotation. Let's run the simulation. We can see that our servo rotates to the given angles and the program prints them to serial monitor. Now I'm showing you a physical system. This is a larger servo, and several seconds later you will see a micro servo. The system performs quite similar to what we have seen in the simulation. The source code is available in the description of the video via a link. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.